Yeah, just what did you bring? Go for it.
So today I brought my 65 Hemi Coronet,
Mm-hmm.
factory big block car, not originally a Hemi, but it was a factory big block car out of Lynch Road where all the Hemi cars come from. So some guys recognize some of the stuff, some of the codes on that data plate, and I level with them. Hey, it's not a real Hemi car, but you know, whatever, big block car out of Lynch Road. Cool.
Exactly.
Anyway, this is the factory color combo. It's ruby red metallic, has a little white stripe, had a white interior. And so I painted it back the way it came from the factory because I thought it would be a great color combo.
It is a cool color.
It's very attractive. Everybody loves it. You know,
it's like between rust and red, kind of. Ish.
My dad makes fun of it, like, oh, you're taking the pink car out? I'm like,
Yeah, I could see how in the certain light you could get a pearl, a little bit of a pinky.
It looks a little brownish.
But not really, yeah. I mean,
it's a cool color.
It is a cool color.
Okay, so got a 472 Hemi in it. We got the bigger carbs, the 780s, the cheater carbs as they used to call them. So we're about 700 horsepower, and it run real good.
Yeah, when you pulled in, I was like, man, that thing sounds mean.
Yeah. Yeah, it doesn't like to just sit idle, dude. It wants to all the time. Anyway, I found this out in Arizona. It was just a bare shell, no rust, no interior, no trim, just a shell, but so rust-free and clean that
you got to do something with it.
I said, the heck, I'm taking it, man. I brought it back here and restored it.
Did you have a hard time finding the motor for it?
You know, at the time, it's still hard to find a Hemi motor. And so, yes, it was hard to find the motor. But Bob Mazzolini out in Riverside, you know, helped me out with a lot of parts and stuff like that.
And so the question I really want to know is, does that intake manifold just weigh like 300 pounds?
No, it's aluminum.
Oh, it is.
So it doesn't weigh a whole lot.
It just looks like such a giant.
Yeah.
Yeah,
it's big, dude, but it helps make a lot of power.
Such a cool, beautiful car.
Yeah.
It's so cool.
We had the passenger side carb not working right. We were just under 7. So we fixed the carb. We should be able to set it. We got next to nothing going on with this carb over here.
This is Darin from DWS Customs here in Huntington Beach. There's his card. Here, let's take one so you can get a better view of it. Right over here at Huntington Beach. This is Darin's. Check out the white interior on it. Darin's done a lot of SEMA builds, Battle of the Builders, all kinds of stuff. You've seen him around if you've been checking out cars.